Okay, so in this video, we'll be trying to search for the Lost Crown game in King of the Railway DVD, which I already seen it from like a couple of days ago. So, this is for Discover Got 1999. So we're gonna have a request video for him. Okay, so let's just let's do a speed run, quick version. All right, let's just take it from the top. All right, here we go. Okay, recyclable case, not bad. Let me just put this into it. DVD player. And 3, 2, 1. There we go. Switch it on. There we go. Okay, warning screen. I don't like these warnings. They take too much time. Okay, it's the entertainment logo. Okay, Lionsgate 2013. Let me just hold on. Let me just get the remote so I can do this. Okay, got the remote, so let's just resume. Okay. Alright. Alright, okay. Here we go. Alright, let's do it. I don't need these previews. Don't need these previews anymore. Okay. There we go. I skipped the previews, so I just going main menu. Alright, I'll do a speed run on this video and then credit to Discover Guide for doing this. Alright, let's go play it.
To celebrate the legend of the Lost Crown, Thomas and his friends take turns searching for the crown. Thomas would like you to play too. In this game, you will be provided with 3 clues. Answer the 3 clues correctly and you will help find the crown. Select play when you're ready to start the game.
Okay, here we go. Speed run.
The first. Correct. Victor fixes engines at the steamworks. Here's your next clue to help Thomas find the crown. After a long day's work, where should you and the steamies go to sleep for the night? Tidman's Sheds, the old mine, or Vickerstown Bridge?
I'll go for that one. The engine sheds. That's like when Philip.
Good job. You would go to Tidman's Sheds to get some rest. Get ready for your next clue. The Earl of Sodor needs help to rebuild Ofsted Castle.
This is for the rock fall. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Oh my god! Right, play again. Alright, play one more time. Then, okay. Then we're done with this video. Okay, put the batteries in. Okay, there we go. I got it on.
Here is your first clue. The Earl of Sodor has returned to the island. Where should you go to pick...
Alright, Knapford Station. I'm going there with Percy.
Correct. The Earl of Sodor can be picked up at Knapford Station. Here's your next clue. Stephen is disappointed when he reaches one place and finds it all boarded up.
Okay, Old Mine will be the one where I think I don't know what you're talking about. Stephen will be the doors.
Good job. Stephen was disappointed when he reached the old mine and found there weren't any jobs for him because it was closed.
Alright, this is it. Get your last one right to get Thomas to the crown. I'm going for that one. This is the one. Yes! Oh!
And that's where the crown was hidden. Congratulations. You found
Well done.
Well done.
Alright, that's it. That's it. Speedrun is complete. Put the disc back. Alright, thanks for watching this speedrun of King of the Railway Search for the Lost Crown game. I hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward for more videos soon, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.